Here in the West, we know that great things can happen when businesses and communities work together. That's why Rocky Mountain Power is always looking for new ways to help businesses do more with less. And the Wattsmart business program does just that.
It is pretty energy intense to make cement powder. We push every day to make our process more efficient. We've tapped into Wattsmart with the help that they've provided. We've identified a lot of different projects from small to big, and we've conquered a lot of projects that have made our plant much more energy efficient.
By having a partner that we can actually work with that helps keep track of these projects, has meetings with us, just helps move the ball forward.
One of the projects that we've done is we carried out an upgrade on our finish mill system. We worked with Wattsmart business partners to understand exactly how much savings we could expect. The project resulted in around $200,000 a year in savings on our electricity bill. And then also through that program, we were able to get an incentive check for over $500,000.
When Ash Grove saves energy, those savings are passed on to other customers by means of us not having to build more substations, more power plants, more transmission lines, and that helps us keep our rates among the lowest in the nation.
Energy efficiency is a win-win, reducing your costs and shrinking your environmental impact, all while helping your business thrive.
About 20 years ago, BD and Rocky Mountain Power engaged in a business partnership with Wattsmart Business to meet specific energy goals and sustainability efforts for our plant here in Sandy.
By having us be a part of their team, we're able to help them with some of their processes. Sure, we'll start at the low-hanging fruit, but then if we're able to really look at the systems and bring our engineers in and become a partner with the companies, we're able to help them save more energy than they would have otherwise.
And that's how the relationship has really grown over the years, with Rocky Mountain Power's engineers being able to help us direct those projects and maximize that savings.
Since we started working with the Wattsmart business program, we've been able to save over 15 million kilowatt hours annually, which is equivalent to powering over 1,400 homes for a year.
Wattsmart Business works with companies of all kinds and all sizes to gain efficiencies and energy savings.
It's a relatively risk-free trial. There are no costs to the customer. The energy expertise that's brought into the program is something that they can take advantage of.
One of the biggest hurdles that a lot of customers have is that upfront cost for projects. So we have an incentive program to help cover a large portion for all energy efficient lighting upgrades.
The only thing I did was to attend the meetings and answer questions. That's it. And the Rocky Mountain Power did everything.
Our warehouse is 100,000 square feet, with about 60,000 of that being refrigerated, very high ceilings, and we have requirements that we have to keep the products at a certain temperature, and that's harder in the summer, so we use a lot more power.
They have a lot of high bay lighting. Maintenance costs are kind of a nightmare with those. Reducing those costs as well as electricity usage is really an easy way to increase the efficiency of the business. So far, they've saved 235,000 kilowatt hours per year, and that's the equivalent of the electricity use of 32 homes for an entire year.
We have someone on our side that's looking after how we operate our business, and we're technically in it together and partners.
Whether you're looking to cut energy costs, make needed upgrades, or tackle bigger energy efficiency projects, incentives and tools from Wattsmart Business are designed to help organizations become the best they can be. Interested in seeing what Wattsmart Business can do for you? Visit us at wattsmart.com.